If you're struggling to grow on YouTube, you're not alone. I'm also building my channel from scratch, but I found a system using AI that's already helping me grow way faster. And the crazy part? You don't need a camera, you don't need editing skills, and you don't need 1,000 subscribers to start. Let me show you. Welcome to Hidden Hustle. Here, we use AI and faceless content to grow on YouTube from the ground up. Today, I'm showing you the exact AI tools and strategies I'm using to reach my first 1,000 subscribers step by step. The first tool that changed everything is ChatGPT. I use it to generate video ideas, titles, hooks, even full scripts. Just type, "Give me 10 viral video ideas for a faceless YouTube channel," and boom, instant content. Next is Canva, the tool that boosted my click-through rate. You don't need to be a designer, just use a bold background, big text, and one strong image. If you don't want to record your voice or show your face, AI avatars and AI voices save you. I use an avatar for intros and AI voice for the rest. It keeps my videos consistent and fast to produce. This tool is a secret weapon. Perplexity AI gives fast research, trending topics, and low competition keywords. I use it to find topics I know people are already searching. Once you make your video, AI also helps with the posting strategy. I use AI to generate titles, descriptions, hashtags, Pinterest pins. This saves hours. Posting twice a week is now easy for me. Here's the honest truth. Growth doesn't explode overnight. But if you stay consistent, use AI to speed up your workflow, and make 8-12 good videos, you will see steady subscriber growth, and that's how I'm working toward my first 1,000 subscribers. And remember, being a small channel isn't a weakness, it's an advantage. You can test ideas faster, learn quicker, and build your own style before anyone else sees it. If you want more faceless content hacks and AI tools that help you grow from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, hit subscribe. Comment AI below and I'll reply with a bonus tool.